Are you tired of your 9-to-5 grind? And are you dreaming of financial freedom and flexibility? What if I told you it's possible to replace your job with a career in digital marketing? Stick with me. I'll show you exactly how to make it happen. My name is Yann Bakebongo. I'm the founder of Jashughatt Media. I've worked with countless professionals who wanted to leave the 9-to-5 jobs, but didn't know where to start. I've been there too, and I know how overwhelming it can feel. But trust me, the digital marketing world is full of opportunities waiting for you. In this video, I will share a step-by-step plan to transition from your job to a thriving digital marketing career in 2025. Digital marketing isn't just a buzzword. It's a booming industry. By 2030, the global digital job market is projected to grow by 25%, creating millions of opportunities. Salaries are rising, with roles as digital marketing managers earning upwards of $78,000. Businesses are also increasing the budget, with many spending $10,000 or more monthly on marketing. This is your time to tap into this growing field. So how do you get there? Step 1, build your skills. Start by mastering in-demand skills like SEO, social media management, content creation, and email marketing. You can train yourself in platforms like Google Digital Garage or HubSpot Academy, which offers free certifications. These skills will help form the foundation in your career. Step 2, choose your niche. To stand out in the competitive market, pick a niche you are passionate about, whether it's helping small businesses with social media or focusing on e-commerce SEO. You need to become an expert in one area, which will attract clients faster. Step 3, build a portfolio. You don't need years of experience to start. You can offer discounted or free services to friends, families, or local businesses. Use platforms like Canva to create a polished portfolio, showcasing your results. Step 4, land your first client. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are a great platform for beginners. But don't stop there. Reach out to local businesses or use LinkedIn to connect with potential clients. A personalized pitch goes a long way. Step 5, scale your income. Once you've built a steady client base and you feel confidence in your services, it is time to scale. You can offer additional services like Google Ads management or website creation. And you can consider creating packages or retainer agreements to ensure consistent income. Step 6, manage your finances wisely. Replacing your income means thinking like a business. You need to hire a bookkeeper, or you can use tools like QuickBooks to track your earnings and expenses. You need to be able to build a financial cushion to handle income variability, especially in early stages. Let's be real. Digital marketing comes with challenges. You might face stiff competition or income fluctuations, but this can be overcome by continuously updating your skills and diversifying your client base. Remember, the key is consistency. Here's your next step. Subscribe for weekly tips on building a sustainable income online. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest challenge in starting a digital career? I will personally reply to help you out. Replacing your 9-to-5 income with digital marketing isn't just a dream, it's achievable. With the right skills, strategy, and determination, you can create a career that offers freedom, flexibility, and fulfillment. Let's make this year the year you take the leap.